Hello everyone, this is Patty, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the March sub box from the Planner Society. And I'll be sharing the main sub box, which comes in this gorgeous leopard paper, then the Boxer Sticker Society, the Sticker Society, as well as the Washi Society. Now, if you are interested in my nails, if you like how the nails match, I just want to let you know before I start that I got these actually from Christy. They're Red Aspen, and I got it from her Red Aspen account. Just in case, because I kind of like to match my nails to my, to my planner. But let me take everything out of the box and I will share everything that was included in all the sub boxes. And I will be right back. And I'm back, guys. So I've taken everything out, and let me start by sharing with you what I always refer to as the foundation of the kit, which is basically the papers. So you get a ton of papers. We're getting 6 sheets of cardstock, and it comes in 3 different patterns, which are double-sided. And let me show you what they look like individually. And let's start with my favorite paper. This has to be my favorite one. It's a leopard, kind of floral, on a white background with some pink and mauve with little gray accents, and on the underside we have more of this like lavender color, but it's very pastel-y, very soft, and it just coordinates gorgeous, beautifully. I mean, I just love it. But can I say I really want a sweater like that? I mean, I don't know if Christy can make that happen, but I would love a sweater like that. She needs to start designing clothes too. And then this is the second paper, and again, the cardstock it's buttery soft, it's beautiful, nice heavy weight, so it's perfect for your dashboard and everything you want to use it for. And this is a beautiful floral with that little holographic accents. I don't know if you can see them. There's little stars there, gorgeous. And on the underside we have more of the holographic accents, and there are on this kind of irregular little vertical stripes in the same mauvish pink. And then this one is adorable too. It's another basically very similar, colorway to the leopard one, which is probably going to be my foundation for the setup that I'm definitely going to do, because this paper is just, this kit is everything. And then the back side, we have this gorgeous floral in the gray. So the gray is picked up from the little dots in the center of the flowers. And then we're getting the specialty papers. And the first one is this beautiful vellum. And it has a very soft, like I would say, like greenish grayish background with the holographic finish on top. And then we have my favorite paper, here it comes, which is the leopard with always the holographic little stars on it. And then we're getting 2 acetates, which are always hard to show on camera, and you're gonna see me basically reflect it. But here it is. It's clear background with the little stars in a holographic finish. And then another what is it called, acetate, and this one has the little flowers in this holographic finish. It's just like beautiful. Sorry if it reflects so much, guys. And then we're also getting this beautiful doily paper, so it has this border that you can cut out, you can make even as a card if you want. There's so many ways of using it, and it's just a beautiful color. It's like a perfect pink, it's not a magenta, it's not like a hot pink, it's in between. I just love it. And then let's start with some of my favorite accessories that are included in the kit, and this has to be one. These are the washi cards. So the washi cards are perfect for storing your washi tapes on the go. You can use it as a bookmark. They all have these holographic stars on them, and they come in 2 sizes. So if you have a smaller planner and if you have a larger planner, so you get 4 of them. And then you're gonna get a pen pouch, which is, I love this style because it doesn't take that much room, so you can carry it with you, wherever you go. So I just love it. And then of course, if you have a pen pouch, and this is vegan leather, you need a pen. And we're getting one of these beautiful, and I was looking at it, it's one of those with the little liquid in the middle, and I love these pens as a kid. So I was playing with them. But there's a beautiful flower in there, and it's silver, and it says the Planner Society here on the side. So all you have to do is just stick it in there and take it with you on the go. And then we're getting this little pen holders that you can attach to the side of your planner, and they come with a sticky back, and they have the two beautiful papers pattern on it with the silver bow, and then there is here the little strap for your pen. And then we're going into little notepads, and these are so cute. Even if you don't use a notepad, I mean, how cute would it be as a presentation? And by the way, do not throw this out. I always use my ribbons for everything that's needed, and this comes in 2 sizes. This is probably my favorite, again, with the beautiful silver foiling. I love these lines. And then there's the cutie one, which has the little flowers on the sides to, make your list, and it says to do. And then I'm going fast, guys, because I'm trying to, there's so much in here. It's just, I'm trying to show everything. And then let me share what is next, which is gorgeous. It's 2 charms. One is a charm, let me show them one at a time, that you can attach to the top of your planner. So it's got a clip, it's got this beautiful metal flower, then it has a little charm with this little bead. Then there is a little diamond charm, which is metal, and it has a little diamond on the inside that kind of rolls around, and 2 little stars. Super adorable. And then if you prefer to attach, actually if you want to attach the charm to the side of the spine of your planner, or to your pen pouch, wherever you want, you have the same little charms, but it comes with a little ring, so you can attach it. You can even attach it to the rings on the inside of your planner. And I'm keeping some of the surprises items at last, but these are some of my favorite items because I use these in every single setup. So these are clear plastic pockets that are printed with the patterns of the papers, and they come in 2 sizes. So you're getting 2 in this big size and then 2 in the small size. Super helpful to carry your stickers around, or your washi little samplers with you, which is what I do. Then we're getting stickers. We're getting 4 sheets of stickers. So these are more the deco, and so here we're gonna see the design. It's just like a little preview of the design of the kit, which is like all these natural elements, the little half boxes with the little holographic accents, and then the words, which I love these because I love to use them as on the side of when you create a dashboard. I like to have a centerpiece, and then I have something to the side. I don't know, I just think it's easier, it's more pleasant to the eyes, and so I love all these phrases. And then here is another little deco sheet with all the different there's a girl holding the cup, there's the little chair, the little succulents, etc. So here it is, and it comes in different skin tones, so there's something for everybody. And then what is another foundation basically of the kit, which is these are all the die cuts that we get. So this is so many. Let me try and get through them without taking an hour. But basically we're getting this month also some Vellum Die-Cuts, which are words, and they're with holographic foil. So they say breathe, hello, planner girl, and then there's more. They just fell, but we have the plan, be kind, self-care. I just love these. And if you're having a problem in using the vellum, there's special glue that is for vellum, so it doesn't show in the background, in the back, if that bothers you. Usually it does not bother me. And then let's look at all the little die cuts. So these are die cuts in all different sizes, and I just love the theme. I love the floral, but I love this one in particular. And if these sizes don't work for you, just don't forget that Christy also has an Etsy account in which she will share basically you will be able to buy the kind of digital version of all these die cuts. So if you say, I really love this candle, but I wish it was 4 inches tall, you can just buy that, and then you can print them in any size you want. And again, these are the girls in different skin tones, and then more succulents. And I love this. I love the little shelf. And then getting more, the hanging planters, cozy, and then just going through it fast. And then here I love this one with the girl with the flowers on the bottom, and then little letters or whatever it is. And then here are the little cards that we can use to make your dashboards. I love the size. This is perfect. Oh, I just love it. This is my favorite probably. Although this one is a close second. So basically I love all of them. What can I say? Oh no, actually this one. Oh, this is so beautiful. I just love, I wish I could be so good as to decorate my house as I decorate my planners, guys. I think I decorate my planners better than my house, but I wish I had a house that looked like that. So pretty. And then let's go into another super useful item that's always included, and these are the tabs. So these are sticker tabs that you can just peel off, fold over, attach to, and they're sticker. So you attach them to the side of your planner, just like so. And then Christy also gives you all the stickers that you can use, and this again holographic finish, everything that you need, the months, the day, the things to do, seasons, etc., holidays, etc. And they come in these beautiful patterns, which are just the patterns of the papers. And then another one of my favorite items are the toppers. So these are toppers that I use to make my the little what are they called, the page markers. So I love this holographic finish. I just love. It's got little stars on it. So basically it's the same, this is months, list, week, and you can just pop them on top of your page marker, laminate it, and you have your set. And then, I mean, how cool is this? I have never seen this. This is a gorgeous kind of like, it's a bracelet that you can use to store your keys. So you can just open it up and put your keys in, and so you can go easy in, you want to go in the store, you don't want to carry your purse, you can have your keys here. And then they sell on Amazon, I think Christy was saying that they have all sorts of accessories that you can attach to this kind of key rings, but again, it's more like a purse on the go, and I just love it. And this color, I mean, clearly I'm matching. And it's all on purpose, but yeah, this is I just like, I was so excited to see this because I've never seen this in person, and it's vegan leather, it's super soft, and I love how it jangles too. Now another item that's included, it's the 50mm washi tape, which has that beautiful soft pink palette with the half of it, it's basically with the bottom half or top half or whatever, it's has these little stars that are in holographic finish, and it's gorgeous. And then we're getting the glitter edgers, which are my favorite thing. I use these in every single setup that I do because they add so much to the page. And this brings me to the first freebie item that Christy included because there was a delay in the shipment of the boxes due to COVID and to manufacturing being closed. So she included this beautiful sticker album. I mean, you can use it as a sticker album, but it's supposed to be for your glitter edgers. And I kid you not, I've been dying to find something to store my glitter edges because they are just I have so many. It's one of my favorite things. So this is genius. It has the little bows in holographic finish, white background. It's a nice sturdy plastic. So, and there's a ton. There's a ton of pages, and they're top loading. So I will definitely double them up so I can store them all. And then another one of the gorgeous items are these little stickers that are 3D. They're like the classic words, the Shine the Love Planner Girl. I love how it's always in different fonts, and these are just, and actually I'm wondering if you can kind of store them in there if you trim down the page a little. And then the second freebie item that was included, it's this adorable little scrunchie. I mean, can we talk? Yes. I mean, I'm already matched, but I will be probably using it since, I just love to, wear this at the gym or at home. I'm not going to the gym, so I'm definitely staying at home though. And this is adorable. There was supposed to be a second one, but it didn't arrive, and so Christy said not to worry, that she will make something very cute with it. So you'll see it in the future. There was a floral matching one. So this is super adorable. Now let me show you the three add-ons. So the first add-on is the Box Sticker Society, and the Box Sticker Society comes in 4 sheets, and these are my favorite because I use them. You can use them with an Erin Condren planner. Again, you can fold them over. You have 1 sheet with the 8 of this little clipboards here, and then it has flags, little hearts. It's the same patterns as the papers with holographic finish. These are washi strips, quarter boxes, half boxes, always with the holographic finish. And then we're getting the 8 beautiful full boxes, which are just stunning. I just love this one. Make myself a priority with the holographic little stars. Just beautiful. Be gentle with yourself, me time. And these are perfect actually for, you know, the time that we're going through, like, you know, we need to slow down and we need to accept that we're gonna need to, you know, adjust to reality and things will get back to normal. But for the moment, let's just be, you know, let's just breathe. That basically, this is so, you know, perfect for now. So we have more flags, little bows, and so this is your add-on if for the Box Sticker Society. Now, if you prefer to be more of like, you know, if you don't use that many stickers, if you want to be more functional, there is the Sticker Society, which comes instead with, and I always forget, like you would imagine that I remember from one month to the next, but it's 5 sticker sheets. And so this, you'll see, it's mostly headers with little flags. It says email, days of the week, quarter boxes, little icons, and then more like little phrases, more washi strips, little bows, trackers, little flags, and then tons of more flags, even little heart checklist, bow checklist, little hearts. And so, and then again, these are always showed. These are little toppers. You rip them out, and then little hearts, and then little flags and bows. So this is, you know, for if you want to be more practical, you just want something to make the page look cute, or you need them all, and so you're gonna get this too. And then there is the Washi Add-On, which is absolutely stunning. I mean, this month, I mean, can we talk? It's so beautiful. I just wish this was one washi tape all at once, although I don't know how I would use it because it's huge. But this will make, I mean, this is basically, you need to make a dashboard, a washi dashboard, and you have your selection right here. You're starting with this gorgeous 30mm washi, which, let's see if I can open it up for you on camera, guys. And this is a beautiful kind of lavender pink, like it's more of a, you know, purplish pink with the silver foiling. And then we're going into this one, which is such a cool actually matching of patterns, because this is the leopard paper, but it has it's the same, I mean, it's the same pattern as the leopard paper with the silver foiling or holographic foiling. And then we're getting a 10mm and a 5mm. The 5mm, which is going to be a little hard to show because it's so teensy weensy, but it's basically the pattern of it's a pattern of the little flowers, flower papers, and it comes still with some little holographic touches. And then we have this 10mm, which has the pattern of one of the 2 vellum papers, the one with that kind of like a grayish, pinkish stripes, vertical stripes. So if you want that, again, that's the add-on. And this is it, guys. I mean, I feel like I ran a marathon. There's so much included in it. But again, the April boxes are arriving this week. They were shipped out last week. And if you are not subscribed and you would like to buy some of the extras, they will be listed on Christy's website today, actually. So you're just in time to grab some extras. But again, if you have any questions, please reach out. And I'm trying to shove everything on camera. But if you have any questions, you can ask Christy or reach out to their customer service. Or if you have any questions regarding my setups or things that regard my Instagram account, you can find me at PlanningFancy on Instagram. And here is everything, guys. So I hope you will enjoy it, that you have a great weekend and a great week, and stay safe.